Vivo today launched the Vivo X300 and Vivo X300 Pro in India. The Vivo X300 will be available in India in Summit Red, Mist Blue, and Elite Black colors. Both smartphones are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. It comes with a 6.31-inch 8T LTPO panel with 120Hz refresh rate with 1.5K resolution. Both X300 and X300 Pro support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender. The X300 carries a 200-megapixel Zeiss primary camera paired with a 50-megapixel telephoto module, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, with Vivo's V3 Plus imaging processor and Origin OS 6. Battery capacity is 6040 mAh with support for 90W wired and 40W wireless charging. Vivo X300 priced at 75,999 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.